Hi YouTube, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair from this to this. Stay tuned. So I'm starting from a very old silk press that has been through it. It's old, a little dirty, and has a really nice texture to hold curls in. So I decided to do medium-sized parts just because I didn't want my curls to be too big or too small, but all of this just depends on how you want your end result to be. I'm only going to be using 2 products in my hair because I don't want my hair to be too wet or revert back to its natural state. I'm also using 1-inch diameter Flexi rods. Okay, so starting with the little styling foam, I'm going to apply that generously to the section of hair, followed by the main choice Braid-Out Glaze, mainly focusing it on the ends so it can stick to the Flexi rod better. And FYI, you want to make sure your hair is 100% detangled so the curl can be smooth without any knots or tangles in it. Next, I'm just wrapping the hair around the Flexi rod, starting from the ends and working my way up. Then you just continue these steps throughout your head. Okay guys, one last time, I'm going in with the styling foam gel and putting that on the entire shaft of hair. And then following that, I put the main choice gel on my ends. I just chose this gel because I think it's not too hard, like you'll sell a gel and it doesn't dry my hair. And it made my ends have a really nice hold to the Flexi rod. So after I apply that, I make sure that I start from the ends, making sure that those ends are fully wrapped around there and tucked in nicely. And then I just work my way up and then secure the Flexi rod, and that is it. I ended up only using 19 Flexi rods, but of course this would depend on how thick your hair is. Now you just let the hair dry. You can sit under the hair dryer or you can allow the hair to air dry. It's the next morning and my hair is fully dry. I want to stress that the key to this style is to make sure your hair is fully dry before taking down any of the Flexi rods. This will ensure that the curls are nice and bouncy and will last as long as possible. To ensure that my hair was 100% dry, I went in and diffused any spots that were a little damp. I'm going to be using jojoba oil to separate my hair to give my curls a nice shine. I really like this oil because it's lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down. After letting the curls sit, I like to pick my roots a little and play with the curls until I get them how I like. And sis, that is basically the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share it, comment, like it, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Also, feel free to follow my social media. The links will be down below. And yeah, stay tuned for more content.